Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you have a pet that sheds as much as this guy does, you probably have a whole arsenal of tools. This pet grooming brush from MalsiPree is my go-to. I had previously only used a brush that just had this flat end, and as you can see, it really does its job. It's pulling out all of the loose, coarse hair that ends up all over my floor in my car. But I didn't realize how much I needed this other side that has the hook-shaped rake that pulls out his undercoat. Look at all this fluffy undercoat that has just been accumulating because I didn't have the right tool. The handle's ergonomical, so it's easy to hold on to no matter which side you're using, and it's a nice, sturdy material, so I can see this thing lasting for a really, really long time. I prefer brushing him when I take him to the park. That way, all of that fuzzy fluff stays in nature where it belongs. And you can see that he's not bothered by it at all. He even leans into it when I'm brushing him, so I think he likes it. So if you're looking for a brush that's easy to use for your pet, we highly recommend this one from MalsiPree. And that's our point of view.